Hey, what's up guys? Today we have going to show the best video editor software ever, the Adobe Premiere Pro. Sorry guys, for smartphone it's renamed to Adobe Premiere Rush for video. Oh, at first one thing, if you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon for new more exciting videos for your iOS and Android. So let's go for it. Open the App Store and search for Adobe Premiere Pro. In the second position, you can see the app Adobe Premiere Rush for video. Open it. I'm already installed, that's why I'm just open it. After sign up or sign in, you have to create a project. Now I'm put the title name Philippine because these videos are shooted at Philippine. These all are sample media for Premiere Rush. Project ready. This is the timeline. Maybe this is the first video. This footage need to go fast. And we can.
Morning, Philippines.
Guess what we're gonna go do? Okay.
Done. This is the second footage. We can cut this footage little bit. Now press this clip. Now we can colorize this footage. Here are some default preset. We can do it manually. Increase some intensity, then some exposure, with some contrast and then highlights, and then increase some temperature. Done. Looks better now. We can add a transition after the first video. I add a cross dissolve transition. Wow, this looks great. We can add more transition the middle of two clips. It's a drone shot, buddy. Here we can add a title. Okay, done. Now we can add a music. Click the add button. You can add extra music, image, etc. Now we can add a music. We are going for sample music. You can add your own music from your phone. Yes, it's a nice music. Okay, add it. Now this looks better. and this is the timeline mode: square, portrait, and landscape. Landscape is better. Okay, after that, look at this. Okay, clip speed here. Okay, increase the clip speed, then it's going to short. Okay, now we can duplicate this clip because it's too short clip. Okay, done. And we can add a dissolve transition for more realistic view here, because these two clips are same. Okay, done. Here we can add another transition, deep to white. Okay, done. We can colorize this clip little bit. Okay, done. Now we are going to add a outro title for our video. This is the preset of title. This one is good for our outro title. We can type thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Done. And we can decrease the outro duration. 2.5 seconds is enough. Okay, and now we need to cut the extra audio and remove it, and finished. Our video is okay. Look at the video.
Guess what we're gonna go do again?
This is the first transition. This guy going to boat, and then the second transition, and in title and music start. Then the another transition, then another transition, and then go to the final clip, and last our outro and music. So guys, finally done. Click here. Now time to render this video. Click quality setting, and you set the maximum resolution 180p and 30 frames per second. And now click the export button for render your video. Done. Our video ready. So guys,
Good morning, Philippines.
this is our
Guess what
final
we're gonna
video.
Go do again? Stork off! Yay!
So
Oh God, I'm a pro.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.